Deep within the lush rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, lives a creature as majestic as it is endangered, the Sumatran orangutan. These beautiful animals, with their long, flowing reddish-brown hair, are a sight to behold. Their intelligence is evident in their expressive eyes and their gentle nature. Sadly, these gentle giants are critically endangered. We must learn about them and understand the threats they face. These orangutans are highly arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lives in trees. They make their homes in the rainforests of Sumatra. These forests are tall and dense. They build nests in the canopy high above the ground. They use branches and leaves to make these nests. These nests provide safety from predators and a comfortable place to sleep. These orangutans are primarily frugivores. This means that fruit makes up the largest part of their diet. Figs are their favorite food. They also eat leaves, bark, insects, and occasionally soil. The orangutans are important for the rainforest. They help to disperse seeds through their droppings. This helps new trees to grow. They are solitary creatures. They prefer to live alone, navigating the dense forests of Sumatra with a quiet grace. Their solitary nature helps them avoid competition for food and resources. They spend most of their lives alone, except for mothers and their young. The bond between a mother and her offspring is one of the few exceptions to their solitary lifestyle. Females give birth to a single baby at a time. This ensures that each infant receives the full attention and care it needs to survive in the wild. The bond between mother and infant is incredibly strong. This relationship is crucial for the infant's development and survival. Babies stay with their mothers for up to 6 or 7 years, learning essential survival skills. During this time, they learn how to climb, forage for food, and recognize potential threats. They learn how to find food, build nests, and avoid danger. These skills are vital for their independence and future survival in the wild. The forest is both their home and their classroom, where every day is a lesson in survival. The mother and infant bond is crucial for the survival of young orangutans. Mothers teach their offspring everything they need to know to survive in the rainforest. This includes finding food, building nests, and recognizing predators. Young orangutans are very playful and learn through observation and imitation. The bond between mother and young can last for many years, even after the young orangutan becomes independent. The Sumatran orangutan, one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, is facing a dire situation. Tragically, the Sumatran orangutan faces a very real threat of extinction. Their numbers have dwindled drastically over the past few decades, making their survival uncertain. The primary threat is habitat loss due to deforestation. Every year, thousands of hectares of rainforest are destroyed, leaving these magnificent creatures without a place to live. Vast areas of rainforest are being cleared for palm oil plantations, robbing orangutans of their homes and food sources. The demand for palm oil, found in many everyday products, drives this relentless destruction. Hunting and the illegal pet trade also pose significant threats. Poachers capture young orangutans to sell as pets, often killing the mothers in the process. When forests disappear, orangutans are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to conflict and capture. These encounters often end tragically for the orangutans as they are seen as pests or threats to crops and property. Protecting our red-haired cousins. The Sumatran orangutan, with its distinctive red hair and soulful eyes, is one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. These magnificent creatures share nearly 97% of their DNA with humans, making their plight even more poignant. The plight of the Sumatran orangutan is a stark reminder of the impact human activities have on our planet's biodiversity. Rampant deforestation, driven by logging and agricultural expansion, has decimated their natural habitat, leaving them vulnerable and endangered. We have a responsibility to protect these intelligent and gentle creatures. Orangutans are known for their remarkable intelligence, using tools and displaying complex social behaviors. They are also vital to the health of their forest ecosystems, acting as seed dispersers and helping to maintain the balance of their environment. By supporting organizations that work to conserve their habitat, we can make a significant difference. These groups are on the front lines, working tirelessly to restore and protect the forests that orangutans call home.